Hi, so this is for your reading lesson. For your math lesson, you should have already logged in at 9:40 for the live math session. For reading, I will always try to have a recording for it. Okay, so again, math, log in on my WebEx at 9:40. For reading, there will be a video for it. So we are going to continue with the great heart. Remember, our question is, what does it mean to have a great heart? Literally and figuratively. Literally, we talked about how that means like the muscle, actually, right? Like the heart muscle. And then figuratively is not the muscle, like being kind, courageous, brave, great hearted. And today we are focusing more deeply on what is a great heart, literally. So we're going to skip these pages, but I do want you to know that we are going to focus on pages 14 and 15 of this book right here. So if you have that, turn to pages 14 and 15. If you don't, I will have pictures of it in a different area for you on Schoology. So we're going to focus on page 14 through 19. Those pages have a lot of text features, and those text features help us concentrate more on the text that we read. It gives us an idea of what we're going to learn about. So if it says more room with a view, it's probably talking about the rooms in our heart, like the chambers that have different views, right? It also lets us know how the information will be organized. So if it talks about a one-way street, it's probably talking about how the blood vessels only go one way. Also, text features, when we look at the pictures first, it helps us understand the picture because we can imagine it and we can visualize it. So those are the ways that text features help us. There's also glossary, there's bolded words, diagrams, subtitles, and so forth. So what I want you to do now is you're going to need pages 14 through 19 of the circulatory story, which is the purple one. And I want you to reread. I know on here it says group A, B, and C. I want you to read pages 14 and 15 again. So just read those two pages. And when you read that, I want you to think, what is the main idea statement about blood vessels? So how can you find that? Well, to find that, you need to figure out what are two of the most important details about blood vessels. So read pages 14 and 15. And then think, what's two important details about blood vessels that you think readers need to know, or you as a reader read about? And then what we're going to do is, as a class, since you're not here, we're going to make a boxes and bullet chart. But since you're not able to participate in that, I actually have, in Schoology, it should be a discussion. You'll click on it. Mine's not loading yet. Let me check. Yeah. Haha, it's right here. Reading lessons. So watch the video, which is this video, and then comment two of the most important things for pages 14 and 15. So click on that and then type in 1. The most important of page 14, 15 is this. 2. The second most important thing of page 14 and 15 is this. And then we are going to go from there. We're going to learn how to paraphrase and write our summaries for it. So I will give you a brief explanation. So paraphrasing means to retell something that you read or heard in your own words. So we often paraphrase to show our understanding of the information, and we paraphrase by starting off with the main idea and then provide some more details to support it. So that's paraphrasing. It's in our own words. Whereas summary is a brief paragraph that tells the main idea in a few key details about a topic. So we write summaries to show what we have learned about a topic. It also shows if we can figure out what's the most important in our reading. Those two often get confused, but I just know that a summary is like a brief paragraph, and paraphrasing is in your own words. So now that we're done with that, we were supposed to write a summary about that, but we will do that in another video. So once you have turned in your two main details from pages 14 and 15 of the class has given me one, I'll make another video so that you can write a summary about it, because in order for you to do that, you need pages 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 also, but I only assigned you 14 and 15. Okay. Yeah, that is it for reading today. So again, you want to focus on just pages 14 and 15 and read it and think, what is a detail that sticks out about it? And those details will help you find the main idea of blood vessels. And then once you have that, you are going to go to today, Tuesday, February 2nd at home learning, go to the reading lesson and type it in. So maybe you say pages 14 to 15. Key detail. Tell me what's a key detail that popped up there. I'll even do this so that you know. And then key detail number 2, this line so that you know to type something in. So this is my example. So I'll write that too. Here is an example. Okay, and then you hit post, and that's it for reading today. I will make another video soon so that you can learn how to write a summary for it. All right, that is it. I miss you so much. Can't wait to see you hopefully this Friday or next Monday. Bye.